this video, I'm going to do a demo of the new AI WordPress website builder. This is the first subscription product that I would like to launch. And this is going to let anybody create amazing WordPress websites with the power of AI, even if they don't know how to code and have never done anything like this before. You're going to see how easy it is. For the pricing, I'm proposing doing different packages to where for one website, it's going to be $10 a month. 5 websites going to be something like $20 a month, but that's something that we are going to need to work out. We've got a annual option, and then I also propose doing a lifetime option. Once a user signs up, they can go to the My Websites page and they can create a new website. Stevo Landscaping is actually a site that we are going to build for a new client. I can click Create Site and click Create Site, and that is going to create the brand new WordPress website. The user can then click on the Launch AI Site Builder, and that's going to take them into the AI Site Builder for their new website and enter in their industry. Click the Next button. They can enter some basic information about their business and click Improve using AI, and that will create a more detailed description for their business. Then click the Next button, give some basic information for their contact details. They can also enter in their social media profiles, including their Google My Business information. I'm just going to click next, and then they can select some stock photography for the website, and they can also upload their own images. Their images have been uploaded. You can click the next button, and that will begin the process of AI generating their website. They will then have quite a few different options that they can choose from are fully built out. They're going to have over 50 different options to choose from. I'm going to choose this first one. They can click on any of them to see a full preview of the website, but in the next step, all of the content will be generated with AI. So I'm going to choose this first one. They're going to have additional options like the topography, and they'll see a live preview when they choose different options. Upload their logo. They can also choose different color schemes for this initial build. I'm going to go with this first one. Continue. There are additional features that they can add to their website, like e-commerce functionality. We have 2 different options, SureCart or my favorite, WooCommerce. They can enable appointment and bookings, automations for things like social media, and live chat functionality. Now I'll just click Start Building, and the AI will go to work generating the content, installing different plugins, and a number of other necessities, fully functional and professionally designed WordPress business website. And just like that, in under 5 minutes, they have their brand new professional website built. They can click on the View Website button. Because this website is built on WordPress, any of the content is easily customizable. You do not need a huge amount of experience to be able to manage a WordPress website. As you can see, the AI has done an incredible job in creating the content. The website also has additional AI features like an AI chatbot that can be easily configured for any business. In this example, I said, what are the best trees to plant in St. Petersburg, Florida? And the AI generated a high quality answer showing expertise and functionality. Website has a fully built out About Us page, a services page that can be further customized, a blog with an AI content generator. So the business owner doesn't have to spend a bunch of money generating content that is high quality, will generate search traffic and potential customers. We've also got a reviews page that dynamically pulls in the reviews for the business, automatically updates with any new reviews. We've got a shop page integrated with WooCommerce, so the business owner can easily import their products and sell online. Got a beautifully designed contact us page. And these websites have a lot of additional features and functionality integrated with AI and marketing that I will go through in future videos. I think this is going to be an incredible offering for businesses to generate subscribers, revenue, customers for other AI subscription offerings that we have.